You will hear a man making a hotel reservation. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5.
Good morning. I'd like to book a room at your hotel, please.
Of course. Can I have your name, please?
It's Robert Taylor. I'm looking for something in the central area, ideally overlooking the river.
We do have a few options. Would you prefer a standard room, or we have a lovely executive suite available?
An executive suite sounds perfect. What's the earliest available date?
We can book you in for May 15th. How many nights would you like to stay?
I'll stay for 3 nights.
Great. Would you like breakfast included in your stay? It's from 7 to 10 every morning.
The nearest one is on King Street. What if I'm late returning a book? We charge 50 cents per day for overdue books. All applications should be submitted by Friday, preferably. That sounds fascinating. How much will it cost to register? The registration fee is $25. It's quite affordable. Yes, please, include the breakfast.
Excellent choice. May I ask why you chose our hotel?
Actually, it came highly recommended by several friends.
That's lovely to hear. Are there any particular attractions you're interested in visiting while you're here?
I'm quite interested in local markets to experience some traditions.
That sounds wonderful. How will you be traveling to the hotel?
I'll be taking a rental car.
All right. Our cancellation policy allows free cancellations up until 24 hours before arrival.
That's good to know. Finally, could you confirm the reservation for me?
Certainly, everything is confirmed. We look forward to your stay.
It is scheduled for every Saturday at 3 p.m. Finally, are there any promotions for new members? Yes, we offer a free book bag when you join as a new member.
Finally, what documents will I need to bring to finalize the paperwork?
You'll need to bring your ID and proof of income. Yes, we actually provide a travel allowance, which can cover your commuting costs.
That is the end of part 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.
Hey there, did you get them all right? Smash the like button and subscribe for more daily IELTS tests.